What's up? Welcome to a new brand video. Today we will talk about Monero cryptocurrencies. Absolutely, Monero has gone up. So before I get started this brand video, the live price prediction, I request you to please click out the subscribe button. If you just click on the subscribe, please subscribe this channel. Then I am updating you every cryptocurrencies, every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So guys, this is the live chart of Monero. First of all, I'm gonna show you the last one, our result as absolutely and the plus, absolutely and the plus. You can see here the positive, the result is positive, the change is positive, plus 0.9%. Absolutely, this is a small jump but absolutely very good. All cryptocurrencies as goes down and those days, but one Monero has absolutely goes up like a rocket, and this is absolutely very fastest cryptocurrencies. So 2 days ago I decided to just I buy a Monero coin. So but I want to just please share this with my friends to what's your opinion. Can this is absolutely good time for buying? So please share your opinion in a comment box. Absolutely, I need your support. Please, I need your support. Please talk about this. This is good time for buying. Please share your opinion. Okay, so this time if you can see here the price of one token money one Monero token as 2.55.54 US dollar. Absolutely very high amount, very high price of this one token. Absolutely very high, and I hope they can cross 300 US dollar. Absolutely, just my expectation. I am very excited to see this, the faster this speed absolutely gone like it. So this is this last 1 hour reason. Let's check it out the last 1 day reason, and those days every cryptocurrency goes down, and this one big reason, oh my goodness, absolutely I am right. The one reason is that to all cryptocurrencies goes down because this is the start of month. Monero holders, congratulations, your result is absolutely very bad. You can see here this time the change as minus 2.09% goes down. So this is not a big, absolutely this is small, but if you can see here absolutely all cryptocurrencies as goes down because this is a start of month. So I hope upcoming days, you can see here this is absolutely starting jumping. So I hope in the upcoming days they can cross easily the change, the changes as in the plus and the starting in the positive, or they starting jumping, absolutely starting jumping. So thanks for watching guys, hope you understand, and please share your opinion into I buy it or I sell it. Please, your opinion is very important. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe ABS channel. Please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. I am updating you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. See you next time.